The graph of y equals f of x gives the speed limit y along the rural highway after traveling x miles, or the maximum and minimum speed limits along the stretch of this highway. Estimate the miles of highway with the speed limit of 25 miles an hour. So I need a max, I need a min, and I need how much for 25 miles an hour. Okay, so my min for speed, and this is my speed for minimum speed, is right there between the 10 and 15. So the minimum is 12.5. My max speed, 30 miles per hour, miles per hour. How long, what is the distance I went 25 miles? Well, I went it from here to here and here to here. From here to here is from 8 to 12, which is 4. From here to here is 24 to 28, which is 4. So I did it for 8 miles. Is it a function? X's can't repeat. They repeated. That is a no. Does it pass a vertical line test? That is a no. Does it pass a vertical line test? That is a yes. Next part. Going to have to write an equation. There's two pieces. And so there's a piece here, and a purple piece, and a yellow piece. And that's the hinge point. So the purple piece is at 5, and it went from -3, and it's the pivot point, so it's less than, it doesn't have an underline because this is the underline, the yellow, and the end of the yellow is the underline, is x is less than or equal closed dot to 7. This one, if we continue on, goes in a negative slope. It would hit it at 2 on the y-intercept. It is from infinity, but it is -3, so x has to be less than or equal to -3. The domain, nothing went below 7, so it is, sorry, domain is not below. Domain is that way. So nothing went to the right of 7, but it went on and on to the left, so it's -infinity to 7. With a bracket in there. Range is 5 and above. So range is 5 to positive infinity. F of -7. And I would go here when x is -7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come up to here. And that would be 9. -3. 1, 2, 3. That would be 5. F of 6. And 6 is in this area, so that would also be 5. This -7 is in this, so it would be actually a -7, oops, sorry, a -7 plus 2, which is 7 plus 2, which is 9. You could do it that way also. Okay, 3 pieces. Middle piece is at 3, and it goes from -3 to 5, and it is an open dot on both ends. I always do the easiest ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is at negative x. Is not negative x. Man, this is craziness. That is x minus 10. And that started at 5, but it went more. So x is greater than or equal to 5, because I start at 5 and I keep going that way. First one. So I have the point negative 8, 3, and I have a slope of 1. So you would do y minus 3 equals 1 times x plus 8. Add 8 to both sides, so y equals x plus 11. I used point slope with this guy in a slope. So this is x plus 11. And this is negative 8 without a shade. So no line. X. And then it stopped at 3. But it is a closed dot, so it's 3. Domain. It goes, it keeps going, it has no gaps, so it is negative infinity sorry, it is not. It is not. It had a dot right there. It had a bulb. So it's negative 8 to positive infinity because of the arrowhead. Now the range goes here all the way up. So it is negative 5 with a bracket to positive infinity. Okay, here we go. Negative 7 fits in here in this piece. So negative 7 plus 11 is 4. Negative 3 fits in this piece because it doesn't fit here because of no underline. It fits here. Negative 3 plus 11 is 8. 5 fits in here. So 5 minus 10 is negative 5. And that is your review. Make sure you go back and look at all the tasks that you need to know how to do for this unit and be able to do all those tasks. If you have any questions, please attend office hours. Thank you.